Hello there, Flying Fox and Bambi Productions here, and we're doing another crazy video, even at this hour. You can see I have this reskin of a black Southern Pacific GS4, even though I do have already one. Oh, and here is the Frisco 1522, the old model, and here's this basic 2A2 that also ate the Southern Pacific cab forward and the big boy too. And also we're connected to a long line of wagons. We're connected to a long line of them. See? So the train starts here and it ends just here. So that's a pretty long train. So I'll see if we can make... So let's see how long it will take to pass here. So let's see how this goes. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so it took us like 3 minutes for it to pass by. It took like 3 minutes, to start off in this thing. Now we're just traveling along the main line at 58 miles per hour. A drawbridge hasn't, but now it's all done. Really, this is like the longest train I've ever made. Really, that's like the longest train I've ever made, and in my entire life, the longest train. Now, with lots of wagons, if you check out the map, see? Here is the front of the train, here is the end of the train. This is why, really, 3 minutes, I thought it was gonna take like 5 minutes or something. Really, just look at this train go, the most heaviest train I've ever made. Look at it just passing by, well, obviously pulled by this black GS4 guy. But this reskin is gonna be private, so I'm not gonna release that reskin, sadly. Besides, I only did this before I got the other GS4. Oh, here's the 282 over here, I'm just helping along. And here's the cap forward, the Southern Pacific cap forward. And here's the big boy just over here. Yeah, I just feel bad I put the big boy, the last engine, for this long train. I was supposed to put the big boy at the front, considering he was this biggest engine. And the GS4 is now already in the tunnel. Great. Hope you enjoyed this ridiculous video, and I hope you have a good night. You know, I am feeling a little bit knackered. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon.